I tell you something. So what's your thought? Me not have no thought. Me not have no thought. Me not have nothing. Nothing. Wanna chat too much. Everybody want you to say something. Not realizing that they might make it worse for the individual when them say them are real far. No, you don't know shit, you shut your mouth. Why you try to be a mistripper? You don't know shit, you shut your mouth. Oh, the people them who are closest to him not talking. So why you not talk? That me always say on a daily. The ones who are closest to him not saying anything about the situation. So there is nothing to talk about the situation. Leave the situation. You don't need to assume. Because every one of them do live. All you need to do is wait. Just wait. Wait. Everybody I give for them own doctrine like they did there. Me not have nothing to say. I wasn't there. I have nothing to say. I was not there. I wasn't there. Me not have nothing to say. Me not even see a video where me can say, I remember see when me telling when me think, I don't see nothing. I don't hear nothing. I don't know nothing. I was not there. I wasn't there. So don't come from a program and ask me when me think, what's my view. I don't have no view because I never see nothing. It wasn't cynic. It wasn't cynic, so it turned me off, so I never see nothing. So don't ask about my view. Everybody I walk and make mystery, and Destiny started this thing first. Destiny. When Destiny start calling up people name. Nobody can do me no cause I do it for that. You don't do stuff like that. You don't have nothing at all to say. Leave it alone. The persons who are closest to him not saying anything, I don't think I need to give an input because they are not saying anything, and from they are not saying